do this
This is our NAL team. That stands for National Academic League, and we go against other schools in academic competition that is comprised of 4 rounds. The third round is a round where we get a problem every week. They go into a room, work on a presentation that they present in the third round. We placed 4th in our league, which we're very happy. We lost a couple games by just a few points, and we could have finished a little bit higher than that, but I want to introduce our team right now. Zaire Davis, Satay Buckner White, Tay Emery, Kara Coleman, Skylar Cosby, Angela Belmars, Lauren Eccles, Beyonce Johnson Anderson, Alyssa White, Justin Smith, Keosha Pearson, Haley Thomas, Kirsten Farley, and Tion Hayden. Last week we had a competition where all the schools in our league, which is the East League, competed against the teams on the west side. We call that the NAL All-Star Game. And the students who represented us are Justin Smith, Elizabeth White, and Lauren Eccles. We'll be having our banquet in March, and we'll be giving away some awards. And for our team, Lauren Eccles will be getting the award for Best Third Quarter Player, Alyssa White for the Most Points Scored, and Justin Smith for the Most Inspirational Player on our team. So give them a round of applause.
It's great press, it should be.
We also have Ms. Edwards is going to introduce you our members of our chess club. Also, another one of our very prestigious academic activities that goes and competes against other schools.
Chess club members, come on down. If you've ever been in chess club or you're in chess club now, come on down. You have probably seen all of those trophies in the trophy case. You have probably seen all of those trophies in the trophy case. Those are from either these people or other people that have been here before. They give us many times their whole Saturday. They go from 8 to like 5:30 or 6, playing 6 rounds of chess, and that's how we win those trophies. And then we have a chess club every week that we invite you to join. But I want to introduce your chess club people and the people who helped you fill up the trophy case. Sierra Fraylin Moore. Wait, clap at the very end. So then, and then, don't let me, Adam Belmaris, Noah Hutchinson, Brock Logmeyer, Sincere Robert Zed, Braden Coffey, and Jared Legion Borders. Princess. Our state, the state will be March. It's in Lawrence, Kansas, and we hope that we get some medals that we can share with you. Thank you all very much.
This far is going really well. We are undefeated in Division 3 with an 8-0 record, and we are 9-3 overall. So our players are, I'll get the numbers right. Number 5, Zaire Davis. Number 13, Tasia Buckman White. Number 30, Lady Thomas. Number 1, Kara Coleman. Number 4, Skylar Cosby. Number 10, Angelica Belmars. bookkeepers. She goes to all of our away games with us and has done the books for the whole game as well. So we are really thankful to have them part of our team.
Zach Moses, Jaden Finney, Trayvon Wilson, Ron Jacobs, Carlos Bell, Carday Bunting, Antoine Pierce, Luis Ramirez, PJ Bates, Javon Townsend, and Antonio Wilson.